Welcome to another episode of Paul's Home Garage. A lot of my subscribers have been asking what things are on my 1972 MG Midget project, and I'll show you where we're at. Dot 5 brake fluid is in there. The brakes are all bled. Brakes work. All the electrical systems, I had a temporary battery installed and hooked up to power everything. So the windshield wipers work, the windshield washer works. The dash was refurbished and installed. All the gauges were redone. Gone over the gauges, did the steering wheel with like a hammer tone. Came out alright. Got the carpet installed. This is glued down with the 3M Super 77. Underneath here, I put the sound deadening mat. It's all over on the floors. It's in the tunnels, down in the footwells. Some carpet's glued, some's not. Laid the vinyl panels in. They're just sitting in there. I don't have the screws yet. They're just sitting in there for a fit. Everything seems to be fitting good. Come around the back. I don't have the top, so this is just sitting here. Nothing new. The gas cap was mounted, ready to go. Inside the trunk, I finally got the filler neck in. Had to splice it there. But it came good. Put carpet in the trunk. Down here at the license plate, that's the backup lights right there, and these little buttons here are the license plate lights. They'll come on to light the license plate. Tail lights, everything's in and working. Still have to get the rubber seal that goes around where the doors go. Probably get the doors out pretty soon, and I got to put the windows back in them and get all that done. Started working on the seats over here. The seats all came apart. I got to be reupholstered. I got the covers for them. This is all rusted, so I got to pull this tube on both of these out, cut it out, and then weld in a new tubing. There's the seat covers there. Windshield over here. I needed to get a new windshield because that's all foggy. Motors almost ready to go in. Did the updated relocated timing pointer and mark on the harmonic balancer. It's got all kinds of little trick goodies on it. ARP studs all around, crank, head studs, flywheel studs. The motor, or rather the head, was sent off to Acme Speed Shops in Greenville, South Carolina. He did a stage 1 street porting on the head with all new intake and exhaust valves and the whole 9 yards. 9.7 to 1 pistons are 40 over, bored 40 thousandths. I got a VP 276 camshaft in it. Power tune vernier, adjustable cam gear set, and cam timing is all dialed in. Everything's ready to go. Just still have to buy the header and the distributor, and I think that's about it. I think I said I got aluminum back plate, aluminum flywheel. Still have to make the, I'm going to make a crankcase vent right there with a block of aluminum. And that's it. So remember to hit the subscribe button down at the bottom to get notifications when the next video is out, because it'll probably be another month here. I'll be putting the motor in and trying to start it. I will definitely video the startup of the first start in 9 years, 9-year project. All right, thanks again for watching.